Welcome to Promeco. We're a family-owned business specializing in providing electromechanical products and life-cycle services. We work closely with leading engineering and manufacturing companies across Europe and beyond. Our fiber laser and bending machines can handle a wide range of sheet metal products from 0.5 to 20 millimeters in thickness, and we are highly responsive to specific customer requirements. In our friction stir welding and machining area, we use a range of processes to ensure strong, curved, and straight joints between profiles and plates every time. We can handle structures up to 2.5 by 6 meters in our aluminum welding department, which offers MIG, MAG, TIG, and robot welding options. Our process flow, based on the lean manufacturing philosophy, has been designed to optimize cost-efficient and reliable production. Our clients count on us to deliver products of the highest standard, and accuracy of fabrication is at the core of our finishing and inspecting process in every product we make. Our quality control, environmental, and occupational health and safety systems are certified according to ISO standards. When a larger series production is required, a cost-efficient streamlined process is essential, including a carefully controlled component flow system. Our experts consistently deliver well-crafted, high-quality results. Our project side assembly department offers effective solutions based on highly flexible, responsive expertise for smaller or fully customized one-off projects. Promeco has been granted official self-classification rights by a range of the most relevant and respected international classification societies, which allows us to provide flexible and cost-effective services to our customers. Finally, we package and document each of our delivery orders so that the products we've crafted reach the end customer without complication and are easy to install once they arrive at their destination.